We will need to establish a relationship between the collar and the vice screw. We need the collar to remain in between the special key and the edge of the vice screw. Over in the browser, we will need to turn off the sliding jaw. So we will click on the eye beside the sliding jaw to hide the sliding jaw. We will need to click and hold on the collar and move this so it is in between the special key and the vice screw. And we'll place it right here for right now. In the assemble, we will select enable contact sets. You should be able to see an area in the browser that says contact sets. To create a contact set, we will need to go back to assemble and select new contact set. In the new contact set dialog box, it will prompt you to select the bodies or components. We will select the special key and we will select the collar. And select OK in the new contact set dialog box. What this will do is when the collar comes in contact with the special key, it won't be able to go beyond the special key. We will need to set up a new contact set between the collar and the vice screw. We'll go back to assemble, new contact set, and select the collar and the vice screw. And click on OK. So what this will do is now the collar will be able to only move between the special key and the vice screw. We will need to turn back on the sliding jaw and you should be able to see that same motion, is that the sliding jaw will always be engaged with the vice screw, and that holds that in place. The contact sets hold that end of the vice screw inside of the collar, which will be inside of the sliding jaw.